Ang next topic natin ngayon ay paano mag-multiply ng fractions. So, mas madali to. So, tatlong steps ulit. Una is, i-multiply natin yung numerators. Pangalawa, i-multiply natin yung denominators. And then, isi-simplify natin or reduce into lowest terms. So, mas madalin ito, hindi katulad ng subtraction and addition ng fractions kasi kailangan mo i-consider yung denominators. Pero dito sa multiplication, hindi na kailangan. Multiply mo lang yung both numerators and denominators. Simplify. Yun na yun. So, exercise number 1 tayo para maintindihan natin. So, step number 1, multiply the numerators. 3 times 1, that is 3. 4 times 6, that is 24. Ayan, tapos na yung 1 and 2. Number 3 is simplify. Meron ba tayong number na pwedeng i-divide dito sa numerator na pwede rin i-divide sa 24? Any number yan. 24 divided by the unknown number, and then 3 divided by dapat whole number po siya. So since ito ang mas maliit, try natin mag 3. So 3 divided by 3 divided by 3, pwede siya o pwede. That is 1. 24 divided by 3, pwede ba? Pwede. That is 6. So, ang sagot natin is 1 over 6. Ayan. So, exercise number 2. Again, both numerators, multiply lang natin. 4 times 2, that is 8. Over 5 times 3, 15. Yan. So again, number 3, simplify natin. May number ba na pwede natin i-divide sa 8 at saka 15? Dapat whole number siya. So mag-start tayo sa 8. 8 divided by 8, 1. Pero 15 divided by 8 is hindi siya sakto. So hindi pwede yung 8. Pababa tayo, 7. 8 divided by 7. So hindi siya exact number. So X agad. 6. 8 divided by 6. Hindi rin. 5. 8 divided by 5, hindi siya eksakto. 8 divided by 4, 2. Pero pagdating dito, 15 divided by 4, hindi siya sakto. So, hindi pwede. So, try natin si 3. 8 divided by 3, hindi pwede. So, matik, hindi siya pwede. So, 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. Pero 15 divided by 2, hindi siya eksakto. So, 1, hindi na pwede ang 1. Meaning to say, hindi na to pwede i-reduce. Yan na po yung pinaka lowest term. So, yan na po yung sagot natin. Then 8 over 15. Exercise number 3. Multiply the numerators. So, 2 times 3. Pag ganyan na whole number, ibig sabihin may silent 1 po dito na denominator. 1, matic na siya na 1 ang kanyang denominator. So 2 times 3, that is 6. Tapos multiply the denominators, 7 times 1, that is 7. So hindi na to pwede i-reduce or simplify. Yan, 6 over 7. Exercise number 4. So again, ito may 1 dito. Hindi lang sinulat, sayang yung ink. So 3 times 5, that is 15. 16 times 1, that is 16. So hindi na yan pwedeng simplify. So ang sagot natin is 15 over 16. So ganyan lang kadali. Mas madali ang multiplication kaysa sa addition and subtraction ng fractions. Subtraction of fractions. So another exercise tayo. Exercise number 5. Try natin to. 5 over 11 times 2 over 15. So try natin again, numerators. Pag ganyan, 5 times 2 is 10. So how about this malaki? 11 times 15. Para hindi tayo mahirapan, pwede, pag malalaki na yung numbers, pwede nating gamitin yung cancellation method. Kunwari ito, pa-cross lang, tsaka pa-vertical ang pwede. Kunwari ito, 5. Pwede ba nating simplify? Yung 5, meron ba dito? 11, di pwede. Dito sa baba, 15 pwede. So pwede natin i-reduce tong 5 over 15. I-divide natin ng 5 divided by 5, that's 1. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. Ayan. Meron pa ba tayong i-reduce? Yung 2 tsaka 11, hindi na pwede. 1 tsaka 3, hindi na pwede. So yan na yan. So lumit yung numbers natin. 1, 2, 11, tsaka 3 na lang. So bumaba yung number, hindi tayo mahirapan mag-multiply. Ayan. Step number 1. 1 times 2, that is 2. And then 11 times 3, that is 33. Ayan. Hindi na natin pwedeng i-simplify. So yan na yung sagot. So exercise number tayo? Number 6. How about 5 over 9 times 18 over 25. Ayan, malalaki na naman yung numbers natin. So, gagawin natin is mag-cancellation method tayo. So, ulit, yung 5, meron ba pwede i-reduce dito sa baba? 9, di pwede. Pero dito sa kabila, sa baba, pwede yung 25. Again, divide natin both ng 5, that is 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. 25 divided by 5, 5. Ayan. So, how about dito sa kabila? Tsaka, yung 18 tsaka 9, pwede. I-reduce natin yung 18, pwede natin divide ng 9. 18 divided by 9, that is 2. Dito, syempre, 9 divided by 9, that is 1. So, ang natitirang number na lang is 1, 2, 1, 5. Then, perform na natin. 1 times 2, that is 2. And 1 times 5, that is 5. So, kung hindi na kailangan i-reduce or simplify, ito na yung sagot natin. 2/5. Another example. Example number 7 tayo. 7/55. 7/55 times 25/35. Again, malalaking numbers. So, gamit tayo ng cancellation method. Unahin natin si 7. Si 7 may tsaka 35. Pwede. Ito, divide natin ng 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 35 divided by 7, that is 5. Kung anong number yung dinivide nyo dito, yun din ang number na i-divide natin dito. So, okay na yan. Dito naman, 55 tsaka si 25. Pwede natin i-divide by 5. So, 55 divided by 5, that is 11. 25 divided by 5, that is 5. Ayan. Tapos, ngayon, ang natirang number na lang is 1, 5, 11, tsaka 5. Para hindi tayo malito, i-rewrite lang natin. Kunin natin yung 1 ang natira, diba? Over yung 11. Times 5 over 5. 5 din yung natira. So, ayun na lang ang natira. So, ito 5 tsaka 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, pwede natin i-cancel out yan. 1 na lang. So, ngayon, i-apply na natin yung 3 steps. 1 times 1, that is 1. 11 times 1, that is 11. So, yan na lang ang natira. 1 over 11. Another example tayo, last na lang para madali natin maintindihan. How about pag mixed fraction naman? Try natin mix fraction. So since mas madali lang ang multiplication. 8 1 and 3/4 times 2/5. So, yan. Pag ganito, may mix fraction na siya, kailangan muna natin to i-convert. Convert muna natin to into proper or improper fraction. Yan. So, paano nga mag-convert ulit? Times lang tsaka plus. 4 times 1, that is 4, plus 3, 7. 7, copy the denominator, 4. Then, copyin natin times 2 over 5. Ayan, so okay na siya. Perform natin yung 3 steps. 7 times 2, That is 10. Sorry. 14. 4 times 5. That is 20. Then, reduce natin to. Simplify. Pwede natin i-divide both sides by 2. And 2. 14 divided by 2, that is 7. 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So, ang sagot natin is 7/10. And so, madali lang siya. Paano naman to? Last example. 2 1/4 times 2/3. Ayan, again, same lang. Convert ulit natin to into proper or improper fraction. That is times addition. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Divide over 4. Copy. 2/3. Ayan, may ika-cancel tayo. Pwede. Or kung kaya nyo naman, diretso na lang. 9 times 2, 18. Over 4 times 3, 12. Tapos i-reduce na lang. Pwede naman. Pero kunwari, example na, assume natin na cancel na lang tayo. That is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then ito naman, 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Ang nanditira na lang is 3 times 1. That is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. That is improper fraction. Mas mataas yung numerator. I-convert lang natin into simplify lang natin. So 3 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 times 2, 2. 1. So 1 and 1/2. So yan na po yung sagot natin. Sana po sa mga exercise natin na sinolve is may natutunan po tayo. So for more videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless po.